In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows 11, specifically the latest 24H2 update. Whether you're a networking student or a professional, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite browser type to search Cisco Packet Tracer download. Head over to the official Cisco Networking Academy website. Next, move down and click on this link. Click on Log In or Sign Up, depending on whether you already have a Networking Academy account. If you're new, you'll need to register for a free account. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, check these two boxes and then click on Accept and Continue. Move down and then click on Download Cisco Packet Tracer. Make sure to select the appropriate version for Windows 11 64-bit. The download will start immediately. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to start the installation process. Click on Yes to continue. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement. Choose the installation path. Click Next on the setup prompts. Once done, click Finish to close the wizard. Now, let's launch Cisco Packet Tracer for the first time. Log in with your Cisco Networking Academy credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.